I'm about to eat. I'm about to eat. I'm about to eat. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Miss Sugar, and I'm back with another mukbang and this messy wig. And another mukbang wet. And it's messy wig. Ow, ow. You better get it, Dr. Perky. Hey, hey, you better get it, Dr. Perky. Ow, ow. Work it out, Dr. Perky. Hey, hey, ah. Hey, y'all. Welcome back. Old and new. How are you, y'all? I am back with a challenge. Now, a challenge I was trying to avoid, Jesus, because I don't drink sodas. I don't do nothing with sodas. I don't really like sodas. Okay, so this challenge is by Jaleel Odom, and it's called the No Burping Challenge. Now, I haven't seen Jaleel Odom. I didn't see any of his videos posted. Did he delete everything? Does anybody know if he's okay? Because I was a little worried. I was like, wait a minute, did he just disappear off the mukbang community? I wasn't sure. I thought that was a little strange. So, Jaleel Odom, I hope y'all right. Blessings, peace, and blessings and prayers to you, sweetie. And I'm finna do your challenge. Hopefully you do get a chance to see it. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays and stuff. Now, Jesus, was tagged by Brittany. Hey, girl. I calls her the challenge queen because she'll do any challenge. She a G in my eyes. She is. She be throwing up. She do, Jesus. She do. Now, I was really trying to avoid this because I don't do sodas. I don't want to do the sodas, Jesus. But I got to be a whole G out here, okay? All right. So, we have here Dr. Perky. Y'all say hi to Dr. Perky. Hey. I seen this soda in the store. My friend Turiel. Shout out to you, Turiel. What it is. And I just thought this was the funniest thing. I said, I have to get this. I'd be a fool if I didn't get this. This has my face and name and everything all over it. So this is what I'm going to drink. This is 2.75 liters. Oh, am I supposed to drink this whole thing, Jesus? I don't know. I just know the object is you ain't supposed to burp. This is going to be a mess, y'all. I don't know about this. And don't be coming for me in this same shirt because this is the second video I'm doing today. I am doing 2 videos, so don't come for me in my pink shirt. Thank you. Anyway, focus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lord. I guess, do you pray over sodas? I guess I'll pray over sodas. Amen. Yes. Okay. Lord Jesus, we rebuke the acid of the refluxes in my esophaguses. Okay. God, Jesus, bless it. Amen. Oh, all right. So me now. This video gonna be a mess. I don't want to do it. Oh, all right. Let me get into this, y'all. Okay, this is it's a big ass thing. Soda. Oh, I don't want the soda. I don't want it. Ooh. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Don't hit that me. All right. Whoa. Oh, y'all ain't see that. Oh, so it's gonna explode on me, Jesus. Not in my carpet. All right, you just drink it and you try not to. Oh God, this is gonna be a mess. Trying to get this cotton candy thing off my table. It still got spots on there. I don't drink sodas, y'all. Okay, here we go. Focus, girl. Okay. Ow, hit my teeth. Mm-mm. 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 Oh, this ain't right. No. Mm-mm. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. I don't want to do this. I don't do sodas. I don't want the soda. Can we not be goofy today? Wait. Oh God. Okay. Come on, Dr. Perky. Give me the gavel. Give me the gavel. Okay. Shit, this all I drunk? Goddamn. All right. Let's go for eternity. Oh. All right. I ain't drinking this whole goddamn soda. How are we supposed to drink the whole thing? Because I ain't doing it. Okay. Oh. It says smooth flavor. All right. I guess I use this time to tag people. Jay's World, if you haven't done it, do it. Munchin' with K, if you haven't done it, do it. Sunny T, if you haven't done it, do it. Who else? Jesus. If you haven't done it, do the challenge. There you go. Sorry, like as I was saying, when I seen the logo, I said they should have made this logo with titties. I mean, it's only right. Dr. Perky, put the titties on the line. Put them on there. Oh, this ain't right, Jesus. Oh, I'm going to get the gastritis. I don't want the gastritis. Okay. Oh, Jesus, Lord. No. Oh, wait, which end is this coming out of? Wait. I don't know what's going on now. It's left, right, up, down. Okay. Oh, okay. No. Okay. Does it count if air come out your mouth? Does that count? Like if it's like a whoosh, is that a burp? Does that count? Jesus, let me know in the comment section because I don't know. I don't want to do this. If I break out in halves from sodas, Jesus, we fight Dr. Perky. Know this, okay? Oh. For those of y'all who are watching, have you ever seen a Dr. Perky? Come on, Dr. Perky. Have you seen them? Go get you one. If you're going to get a soda, get this. I don't drink sodas, especially dark ones. I don't do the dark sodas. But I just could not pass this up, Dr. Perky. Why am I leaning? Where am I going? Oh. How long this video supposed to be? I don't want to drink no more. Oven, don't be making noises in my video. My oven be trying it. Oh, Lord. Jesus. That's where it's at. Boy. Oh, God. Oops. Ew. Okay. That was funny. I don't want no more. F it. I ain't doing this no more. You ain't gonna have me out here like this squeaky, because I see her video. I ain't never seen nobody burp so ferociously. Like she burped for like a whole week. I don't want it. I ain't drinking no more of this. I'm ending it. On that note, Whew. Jaleel Odom, I hope you're okay. I did your challenge. It was interesting. Who don't burn? I'm done, because that's a lot. I don't want to be out here like Miss Squeaky. I don't want to do it. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. All right, comment, like, and subscribe. Ring the bell that's on the side. Ring that bell that's on the goddamn side, okay? Talk my people out there, stay black and be great. Go get you some of this Dr. Perky. Hey, Dr. Perky. Ah. Supposed to be a bootleg ass Dr. Pepper. Oh. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Me and Dr. Perky, we out. Bam! Jesus. I don't like it. I ain't doing that no more. I'm gonna end that.